back to Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is addressing Lorraine, and this is about an issue that happened the other day, not too long ago, when she posted a picture of him with Miss T, and she was saying, all kind of stuff about him, to say that he had a kid brain and other stuff. So he came out addressing her. He's saying that she don't want him to come to Maryland and chew her up. Basically, that's what he would have done. So, guys, there is Lorraine and another blogger that he is after, and he's sending, he's addressing both, and he's letting them know just exactly how he feels. So, go ahead, guys, and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day.
Stalker Lorraine. The Lorraine is a stalker, is a fucking stalker girl. You see when you don't have a happy home, you love to stalk people. And darling, you cannot stalk me. Listen, my come to Maryland, come near me up like one tiger cat girl. More near me up like one, as lean up as I am, more come near me up like one tiger cat girl. Understand? Remember, don't fuck with me, Lorraine. I'm the wrong one. I don't care. I am not some of the people I use. I'm not afraid of none of them. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. You tormented bitch. Your life is a damn mess. My life should have been a mess, but your life is even messier than mine right now. I'm not ask you, I tell you. You're not nothing to live for. You're not got nothing living for. Nothing. I would say no. Before we go into anything, right? There's this blogger on YouTube. You know yourself, Buzz. You know yourself, Buzz, on YouTube, right? Buzz. I'm a call party name Buzz. On a tell Buzz me say, Buzz on YouTube. I am not the one to play with. Ask Gracie what me do to her because she thinks I was a fucking idiot and I don't know how to navigate social media. A long time I not fuck with me, and a long time I not fuck with me. I'ma keep on letting it slide. But I got a video today of you where you post about me. Say, right? I'ma say alright, cool. I'ma come over there, I'ma tell you, yo, stop post my picture against these people. I will strike you. You ask me, say, who is this? Come off your channel. My youth, me will strike you. I know you know people can strike people for them picture on YouTube. And I can strike you. Don't think I don't know how to get on social media. I'm tell you, I'm the copyright blood clot king for a reason. You think I'm joking? I will strike you, Buzz. I will strike you. You know what you do? Imagine people on the era. My father, let me scroll this boy's, let me scroll a boy page. Let me scroll a boy page and see if I have the more video over there with me where people is talking negative about me, right? Alright, on the era. Let me go find it. Let me go find this damn video. Come want to see how much of a 2-month pussy them people is. I'm on that bullshit. I'm not on it. Because 2024 is my year. I'm not asking her. I tell her no. 2024 is my year. Alright. Mark my word. I'm telling her to. This boy. Me up in the video again. Look at that. This boy, I go post another video, right? And post another video of someone else. And You see the caption when you was in the video when me get, it wasn't so bad. It wasn't so bad. That video did not trigger me. It never triggered me. I want to scroll the boy page. Right? And the boy, here when I'm caption. Wait there. What the video gone? Here the boy caption. "13 address black screen and call black screen him, right? And call black screen him. And what I know is a black screen is a Batman. When I ask you know, black screen a Batman, right? And then him go as far as say and rub out the fish and have my picture there. So you're telling me, I'm a fish and black screen is not a fish, right? So you're styling me and I put up my picture by your blood clot channel pussy wall. Take them a picture. I swear to God, hear me. As me lift me to the good Lord above, you put up one more picture for me. Put up one more picture for me, my youth. I swear to God, niggas. Your channel must come down. Me not ask you. I tell you. Me not 3 strikes, no. 3 strikes are you out. I'ma count more than 1 video for your page with my picture palette. And you style me and I address the other people them in a good way. How dare you? How dare you, my youth? Listen, we don't have to be friends. But how you gonna wanna style me as fish and you have one next Batman, you have another Batman in the same caption? How does that make sense? How does that make sense? Y'all call the Batman name, but y'all style me as fish. How dare you? How dare you? Buzz, I'm talking to you. Buzz, how dare you? Do you know me? Me ever beg for your body yet? Me ever beg for your cocky yet? Never. So all y'all style me as fish. I know that you have known Batman in your same caption. You want to come style me as fish and call them for them name. On the show me a talk about? On the show me a talk about them people? Them people, them don't like peace. Them don't like peace. The people them don't like peace. Or you understand me as Batman and have a whole other Batman in the same caption. Y'all can't fit them name, but y'all style me as fish. Sir, fish and your stinking pooper, well, don't draw my tongue. Don't draw my tongue enough. I'ma say, take down my picture. Me I go strike you. And me swear to God, me I come back tomorrow and me I go look if me picture them to your page and if me see them, do not say I did not tell you. Do not say people wanna tell him, wanna know who him is. The buzz boy. The boy will come on my page and beg me to use my content. And because me and other people in a nonsense, them tried to ostracize me. But do I care? No. I don't care. I don't care. Take down my picture. Me, I go strike you. Father God, tell them, go ask Gracie. Ask Gracie if me did strike her. Ask Grace. Live a stick? The live good, man. The live good. Ask Gracie if me did strike her. She would tell you, me did strike her just, me never tell her me strike her for, but she knows me did strike her for, right? Don't play with me. I am the copyright king. I did not give you permission to use my pictures. I never gave you permission to use any of my images. You don't like me, so how are you putting up my images on your platform and putting at me in a negative connotation, in a negative way? How are you doing these things? How? And using other people's things to make me look bad. Go and make your pooper look bad for giving birth to a dog shit like you. And that you figure though. You understand? This is my final warning. Me right on your page with my Mixup Jamaica channel. me right under your page with my Mixup Jamaica TV channel. Take it down, because if you don't take it down, I'm gonna strike you. And me, I'm gonna match. I am gonna match all of those images to my videos on my page. Your live sticking the way it's sticking? Okay, let me change my Wi-Fi. 1 second. I'm gonna match all of those images to the videos on my page. And I promise you, they must come down. They must come down. When I ask you, them have to come down. 1 minute shot. Guys, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 second. We should be good now. We good now? No, I don't want to go say I am wicked, because I'm not a wicked person. The fact this boy is putting out my images in a negative way, right? And using other people's content to somewhat ridicule me, I am not having it. Buzz, final warning. I am not Marcy Kama. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. I know how to strike people down, and I will strike you. You understand? Take my pictures off your page. He's bashing women. That's what he does. That is what he does. That is what he does. No, listen, Inez, I do not want to box bread out of his mouth. I'm not like some of these other people out here. I'm not. But I'm giving him ample warning to tell them a picture of them, because I'm going to go through his channel and I'm going to strike. I'm going to match those pictures you have on your page to my videos and guarantee them have to come down. When I ask you, I tell them have to come down. Watch and see. Watch and see. Your fee say, I'm a pussy, right? I'm going to show you I'm not a pussy. I'm not the one. I am not the one. On a getting away with a little bit too much now. On a getting away far too much now. How you going to come stand me as fish? And there's a whole other fish in the friggin' caption too. Isn't that disrespectful? Isn't that like adding salt? Isn't it, guys? Isn't it? Is it not? On the comment, talk to me, man. Talk to me. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. Is this not adding fuel in an already lit fire? How is gonna style me as a fish with a whole other fish in the same caption? That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. That is very, very one-sided and biased. And then again, he can't prove I'm no fish, because he can't prove I've slept with no man, woman, or child. He can't prove that. He cannot prove that. He can't prove it. So how dare this boy? How dare this boy? Who is this boy if you want to come style me, sir? Anyway, sir, me I give 24 hours. Tomorrow morning, UK time, if me come your page and see my picture them for your page, me I gonna strike you. I swear to God. I'm gonna scroll my page and me I gonna match the one of them picture the way you have to my videos. And have to come down. Me I ask you, I tell you. Anyways, go on with the show, Yakub. Let's go on with the show. Is the life still sticking? No, don't laugh, girl. Don't laugh, girl. Please don't laugh. I'm not laughing because I felt so disrespected. This boy, like someone come, me not, sir, me not kiss, not on the ass. I would never do that. I will not. I'm very sorry. I can't. Anyways, let's get on with our show. Enough of them. You have 24 hours. You hear me? You have 24 hours. Me I come your page. I'm gonna scroll the page. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, me I come your page. I'm gonna scroll the page. And if you think them still up your page, I bet you your channel must gonna come. Me sure me see more than 3 video over there with my damn pictures. When I ask you, I tell you, you're all tired, you're bright and stink like on pit toilet. You're all tired of my youth, you're bright. Anyways, go on with the show. Let's go on with the show. You know, since some of them people are crasses. Wagwan Rosalie. Anyways, so I really am. I swear to God, I know how to strike people for my picture. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. When I ask Grace when I strike her, make sure Grace say, yo, Grace, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I'm not the one. I'm a whapper. Me give her 2 whap, right? And I bet you she's from then she learn her lesson. Don't trouble me. Come in and trouble people. And I don't want to box no food out of nobody's mouth. But if you come from me in a way what's not pleasing to me, if me can't whap me, I go whap you. Right, this is Sharon. Make go on with the show. So, who we gonna start with? Let me share the video on my other page. I forgot. Must go on without asking. We're not asking. Let us go into the show anyway, guys. So, let us start with Planka Boss. Let's start with Planka Boss. No, Meku start with Bigfoot 13. Bigfoot 13, where I start with Bigfoot 13. Alright, hold on. So, basically, right, guys, as you guys would have known, yesterday we had a very, very festive Saturday. Very, very festive. When I tell Metal yesterday was festive as fuck. Thank you for the stars, whoever gave me that star. Thank you. I appreciate you. Anyways, Bigfoot, she and the midget boy, she and the midget boy feel like say them I go celebrate and whatever. Them go on with themselves. So, yes, yesterday was Sats. Yes, yes, you landed that part. So, we are here to address them. My come out for them. At the same video, when we get send them send them in a WhatsApp. Me listen to him. Say, all right, cool. Let me come address Big Stinking Foot. Big Stinking